Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we're going to learn some very useful words about common health problems. Do you know how to say headache, stomachache, flu, or cough in English? In this lesson, you will learn how to name these health problems. Practice asking and answering questions like, "What's the matter? I have a headache." Listen and repeat to improve your speaking and pronunciation. This is an important topic because we all get sick sometimes, and it's good to talk about it in English. Let's begin and feel better in English.
Headache, stomach ache, toothache, backache, earache, the common cold, sore throat, fever, cough, the flu. How are you today? I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a toothache. I have a backache. I have an earache. I have a cold. I have a sore throat. I have fever. I have a cough. I have the flu. How are you today? He has a headache. He has a stomach ache. He has a toothache. He has a backache. He has an earache. He has a cold. He has a sore throat. He has fever. He has a cough. He has the flu. Look at the chart and practice making sentences. Types of medicine: tablet, pill, capsule, cough syrup, drop, ointment, cream. Types of medicine. Kindly note this is an English lesson, we are not giving medical advice. If you are not feeling well, seek medical help from a doctor or physician. For pain, take painkiller tablets like aspirin, paracetamol, ibuprofen, Tylenol. For coughs and colds, take syrups. For example, cough medicine, cough mixture, cough sweets, cough drops. For allergies, take antihistamines. 10 common allergies. 1. Foods. Up to 90% of food allergies are caused by 8 foods: cow's milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, wheat. This is a tough one. It simply means all wheat products like bread, cakes and wheat cereals. Bread, cakes, breakfast cereal, peanuts, tree nuts, soy. Do you have any food allergies? Kindly share in the comments section. Do you take antihistamines, or do you have your own remedy? Kindly share with us. The other common allergies are: 2. Animals. 3. Pollen. 4. Mold. 5. Dust mites. 6. Medications. Penicillin is a common medication that can cause allergic reactions in some people. 7. Latex. 8. Insect stings. Bee stings or bug bites cause minor skin reactions, such as itching and swelling in most people. In people who are highly allergic, the reaction can be severe and even life-threatening, anaphylactic shock. 9. Cockroaches. 10. Perfumes and household chemicals. For indigestion, take antacid. Indigestion tablets. For diabetes, take insulin. For anxiety, take tranquilizers. For depression, take antidepressants. Important health advisory. Please do not prescribe, self-medicate, or start any medication without consulting a qualified healthcare professional. Always seek advice from a licensed doctor or physician before beginning any treatment to ensure safety and appropriateness for your individual health needs. Your health and well-being are our top priority. Verbs to use with illness. I caught a cold. He contracted malaria. She fell ill. I've picked up a bug. He suffers from arthritis. She was diagnosed with cancer. Grammar, feel plus adjective. Asking what's wrong. Saying what's wrong. How do you feel? I feel sick. I feel awful. I feel terrible. I feel worse. How are you? I feel sick. I feel awful. I feel terrible. I feel worse. After medication and care. Asking what's wrong. Saying what's wrong. How do you feel? I feel fine. I feel great. I feel terrific. I feel better. How are you? I feel fine. I feel great. I feel terrific. I feel better. Grammar, have plus noun. Asking what's wrong. Saying what's wrong. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a toothache. I have an earache. I have a cold. I have a sore throat. I have fever. I have a cough. I have the flu. What's the matter? I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a toothache. I have an earache. I have a cold. I have a sore throat. I have fever. I have a cough. I have the flu. At the hospital. Things medical staff do. Take your temperature. Thermometer. Measure your blood pressure. Blood pressure monitor. Check your weight. Take your pulse. Listen to your heart. Stethoscope. Give you an injection. Vaccinate you against a disease. Hypodermic needle. Syringe. Vaccine. Put in your stitches. Take out your stitches. Dress your wound. Other vocabulary on health. Crutches. Plaster cast. Cast. Eye patch. Sling. Bandage. Plaster. Band-aid.